Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fabulous today. If you are new over here, welcome to the Tripletians family. Thanks for stopping by. Romans 8 verse 1. There is therefore now no condemnation to them which are in Christ Jesus, who walk not after the flesh but after the Spirit. Live every moment, laugh every day, love beyond words. Make it happen. Let's get right into today's video. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how I make my onion herbal ear spray. Now guys, you may see a video similar to this one. Yes, there is a video similar to this one, but this one I had in some more herbs. Here I have 1.5 onion. Now onion are rich in sulfur, which is a mineral that help produce protein and enzyme, and is also found in keratin, a component of hair. Sulfur may help hair grow by increasing the growing phase of hair. Here I have some ginger. Applying ginger to the scalp can improve blood circulation to the area, while also stimulating each individual hair follicles. Ginger has several vitamin, minerals, and fatty acids which help in strengthening and improving hair quality, in turn promoting longer, stronger hair. Here I have 4 bags of green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants such as EGCG, which help protect hair follicles and promote healthier hair growth. EGCG neutralizes free radicals that causes oxidative stress, which can damage hair and contribute to aging. Green tea can improve circulation on the scalp, which can help with hair growth. Green tea also helps reduce hair loss and thinning. Another thing that green tea does is to reduce dandruff and dry scalp, and also slow down the process of graying. Now I have some basil leaf. Basil leaf is very good. It's antibacterial and antifungal. It can reduce inflammation on the scalp. Basil can improve circulation within the hair follicles, which can stimulate hair growth. It can help treat dandruff. Here I have some bay leaves. Bay leaves contain vitamins A, C, and B complex, as well as minerals like calcium, iron, and manganese, which nourish the scalp and strengthens hair follicles. Chebe powder is a natural hair treatment that is said to have several benefits, including ingredients that lubricate the hair trough, which can help reduce breakage. Promotes hair growth by keeping hair moisturized and hydrated. Here I'm adding a few sticks of cinnamon. Cinnamon can increase blood flow to the scalp, which may help hair grow and reduce hair loss. Cinnamon's antimicrobial properties can protect the scalp from infections. Peppermint. If you are struggling with hair loss or baldness, peppermint oil is beneficial both to help slow down hair loss or hair thinning and to regrow your hair that has already been lost. Adding a little rosemary here. Rosemary can increase blood flow to the scalp, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles. This can help strengthen existing hair and encourage new growth. Adding a little cloves. Cloves contain vitamin, minerals, and fibers that can nourish hair follicles and strengthens hair.
So
So what I'm going to do here, guys, is to add this pot of water on the stove and allow it to boil a little, and then I'm going to add these products in and allow it to boil for 30 minutes. Guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, remember to give it a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you are new to the channel, share, and also, guys, I want you to comment. Let me know if you have ever used all these herbs at once as a spray in your hair. And also, guys, I'm going to put the link for my website in the description box. You can go there and purchase if you need hair strengthening butter, oil, or hairspray. So the process of boiling all the herbs has finished, and here I strained it, and I'm adding some additional hydrating products to the onion spray. Now the onion will dry your hair out, the clove will dry your hair out, so I have to add these, the aloe vera juice and the aloe vera gel, some additional products to the spray, and I'm also adding some vitamin C. Continue to take note, sit back, relax, and enjoy the music. So guys, what I'll be doing here is to mix both the liquids together, after which I'll place a piece of foil paper over the container for a few hours. So this is the result, guys. As you can see, this is my onion hair spray, and what I'm going to do is to pour the spray using a funnel in my applicator bottle. So guys, tell me what you think. Please leave your comment down in the comment section. We have come to the end of this video. I hope you had enjoyed. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Walk with the King and be a blessing. Love you. Take care of yourself. See you in the next one. Bye.